is presented to you for showing the result of their hard work during PBL sessions. Please be informed that you will assess all infographics by filling out the form that we give to you. Without further ado, let's listen to the presentations. For presenters, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Good morning. I'm very glad to be here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Shakira. Today, I would like to talk today about opinion of 70 and 70 students about the prices of canteen and entertainment snacks. I divided my talk into three parts. There are my infographics, our student review, and the last one is my prototype. This first one is our infographics. In here, I would like to look at the first one is the background. Snacks have some benefits, such as making the stomach feel full and completing the nutritional needs. Students who attend school will usually buy a snack at school canteen. At SMBHI, we have two canteens. There are Ahimad and dining room. Both canteens have clean and comfortable places. However, we often find the prices is not worth it for students, and we often find the pricing is more expensive than this in the market. A lot of my friends feel uneasy about this, so this is my research was carried out to explore more regarding this matter. Based on the background, the objectives are first, to find out the student concerns of 70 and 70 students. 70 SMBHI have regarding the price of dining room and Ahimad snacks, and find out the reasons. Second, to find out the solution to the student concerns of 70 and 70 students about the regarding the price of dining room and Ahimad snacks. In here, you can see the result, discussion, and the conclusion. Let's move on to the next part, is student review. In here, we have control peer counseling to explore this problem. After that, we collect the problem and determine which problem to use as a research topic. Next, we interview our friends to explore this problem. What we will discuss is the solution to use as this research topic. In here, you can see me collect X solution, and then we visualize our solution. And the final stage, we choose 2 or 3 solutions. The solution we choose, first, put hashtag in each item, and second, put a suggestion box. Okay. The last part is our prototype. This is our prototype of the solution we are offering. This is suggestion box that will be placed near a Ahimad and dining room. And we also advise you to attach a price tag in each item. Okay, that's all I have to say. Thank you for listening attentively. Please apologize for my mistaken word. See you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The next part will be delivered by Malika. So, Malika, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Malika from class 7B. At this good day, I'm glad to be here because I know I will talk to you all about my research. The title is Judgmental Friends in class 7B and 7D at SMP TLHI. I will divide my presentation into 3 parts. The first part is the infographic. The second part is the student workbook, and the last part is the prototype. Now we will talk about the infographic first. The background of the infographic are judging includes activities of forming, giving, and having opinions, or deciding about something to someone. Judging can happen due to several things. For example, hearing rumors about someone, hearing from other people's point of view, and judging people only after the first meeting. Some students in class 7B and 7D SMP TLHI unfortunately are being judgmental to their friends. It is interesting to know why this behavior is shown, so we conduct a research to explore more about the topic. And the objective of this research are, First, to find out the judgmental behavior of friends in class 7B and 7D SMP TLHI. Second, looking for a solution to the judgmental behavior of friends in class 7B and 7D SMP TLHI. Now we will move to the student workbook. In this PBL or P5 mental health time lesson, I conduct interview with 8 questions to the 25% in class 7B and 7D at SMP TLHI using this student workbook table data. You can see it here, which aims to process judge friends data in class 7B and 7D SMP TLHI. The last but not least, we will move to the prototype. I made 2 prototypes. The first is create a class agreement that promotes to appreciate difference, not to exclude a friend, speak good, learn to understand. And the last prototype is make posters and socialize the importance of stop judging friends. I think that's enough from me. Thank you for your attention. Sorry if there are many wrong words. Nice to meet you all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The next presentation will be delivered by Sabia. Sabia, the floor is yours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, parents. Good morning. In this pleasant day, I will deliver the development of our project with the topic mental health. Now, would you all be so kind to let me introduce myself? My name is Lihian Sabia Fatur Rahman. You can call me SBY or Sabia. Standing in front of you all, I will present the presentation that I and my teammate Zahwa have been working on in this semester with the title Picky Friends. Now in this presentation, I will divide it into 3 parts. The first part is the infographic, the second part is the process of filling out my workbook, and this last part is the prototype. Now let's dive into the first part, which is the infographic. First thing first, background. As a student, of course, we have to socialize and collaborate with friends every day, both in learning process and outside the classroom, such as group project and more. But there are still some students who likes to be picky about their friends. They'll only be friends with those who are rich, the same race, the same religion, and more. And this can disturb or even damage other students' mental health. So we conducted a research to explore this topic even further. Based on the background, our objectives are knowing the problem about picky friends in class 7B and 7D students, and making a solution for the problem in hand. Based on everything that I said, and this graph, it's a list of questions that we asked around 7B and 7D students, like, are you being picky about friends, and So the conclusion are, most of class 7B and 7D students are still being picky about their friends, and they still discriminate other students or even their classmates. So we made 2 solutions in the shape of prototype that I will be delivering at the end. Now moving on to the next part, which is the process of filling out my workbook. There are many topics in my workbook. For this one, I choose peer counseling. So for this peer counseling, I choose my friend Alia to talk to me. She complained a lot of her problem here, so I write down one of the important things here. We chat a lot, she complained a lot, we ended up gossiping, but at least I closed the conversation with giving her the best solution I can give. Moving on to the last part, which is the prototype. For the first prototype, this is made by Zawa. It is the Get to Know More program. This program encourages students to respect each other's background, opinions, and more. It also helps to develop a better understanding to themselves and how they fit into the world. It also serves as a platform for students to build meaningful bonds and meaningful relationships. So this is the rundown. And for the last prototype that I made is a comic about a tree and a fox. It's about the importance of socializing. So it's inspired by an old Russian film. The title is The Tree and the Cat. So I think that is all from me. By raising awareness and promoting open discussion about mental health, we can create a more understanding and more welcoming school environment for students who may be struggling. My sincere thanks for you all. My apologies for any mistaken words. We'll meet again. I don't know where, don't know when, don't know how, but we'll meet again some sunny day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Now for the next presenter, will be delivered by Ara. To Ara, the floor is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, dear MC and parents, how are you today? Alhamdulillah, everyone is good today. So, in this good day, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ara, and today I will present my infographic based on our research, and the title is Friends Who Like to Slander. So, the background of our research are, slander is a bad behavior. However, we often observe that many of our friends and most of other people have been victims of slander, especially at SMP Telhai. Based on this background, we have two objectives that are, first, to find out the perpetrators of slander in class 7B and 7D at SMP Telhai and find out the reasons. Second, to find out the solution of slandering a friend. Here are the results and the discussions. You can see it in this infographic. This diagram is the result and those texts are the discussions. Next, we'll move to this workbook. We always use this workbook when we have PBL or P5 lessons. And I will present about the peer counseling on this workbook. After we knowing about peer counseling, we have to practice with our partner and we can choose our partner by ourselves. FYI, my partner is Bunga, my own teammates in this research. She helps me from interviewing students in class 7B and 7D at SMP Telhai and made this infographic together. And now, she helps me to practice doing peer counseling in pair. Such a helpful friend. And back to the topic, after we did peer counseling, we have to fill out this observation form. There are many skills in this observation form, including attending, showing empathy, asking open-ended questions, asking closed-ended questions, confronting, and making conclusions. The last one, I will present one of our prototypes that is class commitment. Actually, we have two prototypes that are class commitment and campaign poster, but I'll just present one of them because I don't think I have much of time. So, this prototype is our solution to solve the slandering problem, like what it said in this infographic on conclusion part. First, we made a class agreement in form of a class forum. There are some sessions in this class forum, including complaining sessions, settlement of slander problem, discussion sessions, commitment sessions, and last but not least, make a class agreement and class commitment. I think the time is over now, so I'll just end up these presentations here. And I don't forget to say thank you all for your attention, and I apologize for mistaken words. See you in the next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Well, once again, give applause round for all the presenters. That's great presentation. And well, parents, this is the end of the presentation. Please fill out the form that I give to you in WhatsApp group. Yeah, thank you for your great job, students, and thank you for your attention, parents. Let us end our meeting by saying hamdalah together. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Okay, see you on next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.